Hello everyone, welcome back to our live stream. I'm the guy who trades. Well, this is a simple name because I want you guys remember me. Actually, my career is not as simple as this name. I has a uh, very wonderful experience in my career. I was a former desk trader, and then I worked as a quant in a hedge fund. Worked as a quant a quant portfolio manager in a hedge fund, and now I am running my family office. I have many friends during my career. We work as partner. We share the information, and nowadays we just build an AI tool. It is an AI analyst, which called View. Okay. It is Friday, April 24th, 2026. The S&P just closed down 0.4%, Nasdaq shed 0.5%. Right? Let's review yesterday's market. So if you're watching the futures right now, it has a rebound. We are living through a market where chip maker hitting all-time high, while software stocks are getting absolutely demolished. Texas Instrument up 19%, or almost 20% in a single session, right? ServiceNow down 18%. This is not a market for the faint of heart. This is a market for the prepared. And tonight we are going deep. All right, 2 hours, no flap. We are talking event-driven day trading in the most volatile tape we have seen since the regional banking crisis. We are talking Iran. We are talking Hormuz. We are talking crude oil above $100. And then we are talking about how to actually make money when the world feels like it's on fire. But before I break down the playbook, before I show you the setup, the level, the exact strikes I'm watching for Monday's open, let's introduce you to something that genuinely changed my trading career. Well, let's take a look at the screen, the left side of the screen. This is a bull view, right? What is bull view? Think of it as your personal quant analyst that never sleeps. It's an AI-powered market intelligence platform that scans thousands of data points in real time. Earnings calendars, geopolitical feeds, option flow, institutional positioning, sector rotation signal, and distribute them into actionable trade setup before the market moves. All right. Well, I'm not talking about some delayed scrap Yahoo Finance data that your free broker app gives you. I'm talking about direct exchange fees from CME, NYSE, Nasdaq, and the London Stock Exchange. All right, all of them are the big exchange in the world, and they have the biggest volume every day. When an event triggers, things like the war between US and the Iran, right? You get an alert while the move is still in its first 30 seconds. Not after CNBC has run the headline. Well, CNBC, yeah, well, you know that it's already give you a delayed news. When you read it, the algo has already triggered. So not after Bloomberg has pushed the notification to every dentist in Ohio, 30 seconds. Here's the reality. Event-driven trading speed is everything. By the time you read the headline, the algo has already moved the stock 5%. Bull view, an AI analyst, gives you the signal before the headline. So please don't hesitate to click the link in the robot, in the chat bot. All right, you can get this quant analyst free without any cost. All right. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. No, you are not late. You are not late. We just begin, and I can share you with many useful things, many important information. All right. You just click the link, then get it. Here's the reality. So in event-driven trading, speed is everything. By the time you read the headline, the algos had already moved the stock 5%. Bull view. Our AI analyst gives you the signal before the headline. So let's keep talking about that. Who using bull view? Right now, over 12,000 traders in our community. Day traders in New York catching the night tip open, swing traders in London riding the European close, crypto traders in Singapore arbitraging overnight gap. We have got prop shop traders, former hedge fund PMs, and retail traders who started with $5,000 account and now running six-figure books. And the best part, they all started with the free trial. So click the link in the bot and I get this tool. All right. Well, after series hit the historical high, the index, the 3 index, just give us a pullback yesterday, right? That's because the geopolitical causal chain. This is a logic chain. The catalyst that geopolitics. All right. The catalyst for the whole 2026 is all about geopolitics, right? U.S. and Iran peace talks in limbo. The Straits of almost opened or blocked, right? Every time it open, the energy price is going down. When it is blocked, then its price is going up. So when the energy price is going up, which anticipated that the inflation gonna go higher, right? So it also gives an expectation that the Fed will raise their rate, which caused the equity markets sell off. So that's what happened last night. There are also some very beautiful moves. Things like Texas Instruments. It went up almost 20%, which stands for the semiconductor, the hardware, right? And the software part, it is a bad year for software. You can see that the service now, NOW, is going down about 20%. Wow, what a big move. All right, let's take a look. Now, it already give us. Okay, let's take a look at TXN first. The bull view is very easy to use. As easy as you can get it, right? So how could you get it? You click the link in the chat box on the top, the pine link in the chat box, all right? Then you can get it. No cost. Without any cost, you got the very useful AI tool. Why not? Why not just click it? And I'm showing you how easy it is. How easy could you use it? All right? Type the tickers here, click analyst, then it will give you an answer. And we take a look at the trading view too. Well, TXN, what a big move yesterday night, right? Our AI analyst just tells you that TXN search with extreme AI overbought, right? It's high risk, so don't chase it. It's okay. If you miss that opportunity, you can find another one. This is the big move going upward. So what about the big move going downward? Now, NOW. Let it tell you. All right. We take a look here too. NOW. Okay, you can see that. Right. Well, plunge 80, almost 80%. Plunge 18%. Bearish breakdown below key MAs. All right. It is still high risk. Cause even though it goes down a lot, the RSI didn't enter the overbought zone, right? So I think it would probably break the historical low here. Then you take it into consideration. So, well, let me share you. All right. Oh well, let me share with you some fundamental about the service sector. You know why? You know why this is the bad year for software? Uh, Everybody can't live without AI, right? Um, Before the AI is generated, we use most of our time. We use uh, things like Microsoft Office, Photoshop, and things like that, right? And now we don't need to use them, right? Uh, when we have a question, we just type the question and then ask the AI. Things like that. If you wanna edited Word, edited PDF, you just throw it to the AI, then they can make it for you, right? If you want a picture, if you want a picture getting beautiful, you should do it by yourself, right, in Photoshop. And now you don't need to. You just throw it to AI. Just tell AI what you want, then it can make a much better picture for you than the Photoshop, right? Then the things that you do it by yourself. So can you understand why the software going lower and lower? Because the demand for software is getting smaller and smaller. Right? However, the demand for AI, the demand for electricity, the demand for hardware, semiconductors are getting larger, are getting a lot. So everybody need it. That's why the hardware sector going up a lot and the software go down. This is the divergence between hardware and the software, right? Okay. So I'll just tell you who is using Blueview. And the bad part is that they all started with the free trial, right? Where to get this? Where to get Blueview? Simple, very simple, very easy. Click the link in the pan command or description box. 30-second sign up, or maybe less than, maybe just 3 seconds is enough. You don't need an email or phone. Okay, you just click the pan link, then you can get it free. Hey, everyone here, you can get a very useful tool, AI quant analysis tool without any cost. Why not? It's just like a robot me living with you for 24 hours, right? Yeah, it's an automatic analysis. Now that you know where to get it, so you know where to get it. So if anyone know how to get it, please reply 333 in the chat box, alright? If you okay. Yeah, you know. So you already know how to get it and where to get it, right? Click the pan in the chat box, then get it. Very easy and no cost. Alright? Okay, let's come back to our presentation. This is the hot map of yesterday's market. Well, as we can see that the index was going down last night, so most of the big tech were going down too, right? If you dared to buy the dip yesterday night and tonight you can earn the money. Yeah, that's it. Okay, well, I just told you that I am running a family office. I trade my own money. I trade my family's money. And I want to share with you what's the edge of a family office. First and foremost, we need the system. We need the trading system. The system over instinct. Alright? Every trade requires a predefined setup. Entry and exit, zero exception. Consistency to home runs. Alright? So that's why I recommend this AI tool for you. With a tool, with an AI, well, every time you trade, let's say that again. Every time you trade, you need a reason, right? If you trade without a reason, you are gamble. You are gambling. Let me say that again. If you trade without a reason, you are gambling. Okay? Gambling is emotional. But trading with a reason is rational. Alright? Just like that, most of you like to ask question to me, right? Why this stock? Why this ticker? How's that company? So you need a reason, right? So that's why you ask. But I'm a human being. I can live with you 24 hours and 7 days. So we produce this AI agent, BlueView, for you. This robot can stay with you all the time, right? You just turn on your phone, then you can use it. You can ask any question. You can let it analyze the stock for you, right? Just so you click the pine link here, then get it without any cost. Why not, right? You can't lose anything, but you get a very profitable tool that help you in trading. And secondly, in family office, we need superior risk management because we are running our own money. We can't lose it. We can't lose it. Because we are on, in family office, risk management is playing a key important role. Because we are running our own money, we can't lose it, right? We need to minimize the event exposure and get a strict risk architecture. So surviving volatility is more important than predicting it. Alright? So if you, we should accept the fact that we are not as professional as the institutional trader, right? So we need to learn. So every time we trade without a reason, we learn by losing money. But why don't you get the AI tool and get a reason to trade it rationally and without losing more money, right? You get this tool and you could trade more rationally, alright? Things like that, every time it's very easy, right? Every time when BlueView tell you it is high risk, so avoid it. Just avoid it. So every time if book view tell you it is middle risk or low risk, so you could take it into consideration, right? Let me say that again. When book view tells you the ticker is high risk, you just avoid it. And when book view tells you the ticker is low risk or middle risk, you can get it into consideration. All right. And here we go. You know how an institution do event-driven trading? An event is a catalyst, right? An event is a catalyst, which makes the market move, right? So what kind of catalyst do we need? Things like earning surprise, just like the TSN we just talked about, right? Things like regulatory shift, M&A announcement, geopolitical shocks, just like the war between US and Iran, right? All of that kind of event is the catalyst to move the price. Our AI tool will conclude the catalyst for you. So if you don't know that, you need to read the delayed news on the internet. It costs you a lot of time, right? With that event, with that catalyst, the institution trader will execute their trade. Things like a hedge fund strategy designed to exploit temporary pricing inefficiency occurring immediately before or after specific catalyst, right? So in 2025, human analysts cannot process this event fast enough. The game has evolved. AI is the new baseline. Let me say that trading without AI is out of fashion. I gotta say that. AI is a very necessary tool in trading. Okay, so you need it. I gonna say that you really need it. So how to be professional? How to learn without losing more money? Click the pun in the chat. All right. Then get this AI tool without any cost. No credit card. No credit card. All right. Okay, I am still talking about the bull view. You enter the bull view market insight, your international grade AI trading assistant. It gives you a real-time AI stock diagnosis. The data is based on instant fundamental and technical evaluation, right? And then you can also get NLP sentimental analysis across the global news and social feeds. And you can also get a predictive event-driven triggers. Okay, just like what I say just now, you need a catalyst. Oh no, the market needs a catalyst, and you need to know about the catalyst. And you know about the catalyst, you get the logic, then you know why you trade, why you buy or sell. Is that all? Okay, so escape the trading hell. Don't trade with panic. Don't trade without a reason. All right. You get this bull view, you get this AI tool, we can trade happily. Alright? Today is Happy Friday. So I wish you from now on you get this AI tool, you have happy trading too. Alright? Very easy. Click the pine link, then you can get the stock tool. And what is more? You can get one-on-one guidance in the WhatsApp. You can have a financial expert just like me to do the Q&A. Alright? Let me say that again. You click the pine link without any cost, no credit card, no cash. Then you get the stock tool directly. You get bull view directly. Then what's more is that you can have a financial advisor in the WhatsApp to have one-on-one guidance for you to do the Q&A. Is that clear? Is that clear? Alright. Welcome. More and more friends enter and more friends click the link. Congratulations, you get this tool free, and congratulations that you are walking on a road to be a professional trader. Congratulations. Okay, more and more friends enter and more friends click the link and more question to me. Okay, let me answer the question one by one, alright? Let me answer the question one by one. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, you are correct this judgment. Yeah, sure, completely free. Just give it a try. Okay? Definitely. This free forever. Just give it a try. Yeah, it's an institutional level tour. It is an institutional level tour. Just click the link and enjoy using it. Yeah, just click the link and enjoy using it. You will say thank you to me next week. Alright? You can get addicted to it. Okay, let's analyze some tickers. How is Tesco performing? Can we use tools to analyze it? Okay, Della, let me answer a question. Tesco, right? Tesco. Hey, can you see that? You press Tesco here. Okay. Tesco, right? Click analyze. And we take a look at trading view too. Now, Tesco here. Can you see that, Della? Tractor Supply Company, right? Is that one? Are we going low? It's okay. Volume surge breaks low. RSI oversold, right? Volume surge and the price breaks low. RSI enter overbought zone, right? Oversold zone, sorry. Right? Clearly? Is that clear? Okay. It's high risk because it's a downward trend. So, very easy to use. Bull view tells you that it's high risk. Just avoid it. Alright? There are still any other chance for you to trade. That's cool. Still in high risk. Because it accelerate in a downward trend now. All right. Let's come back to our presentation. Wait a minute. Okay, I just show you how to use BullView to analyze the tickers for yourself and compare with the chart in TradingView, right? You combine two of them to analyze the tickers for yourself. And compare with your trading system. Chart in both BullView and TradingView, right? Show you combine two of them. You are more professional than any other retail trader. Compare with this is the unfair advantage. Why AI wins? Why AI wins? Combine because first of all, AI is faster than you, right? Compare with this is the unfair advantage. Processes thousand points and just translates automatic faster in milliseconds. And AI scopes. This is the unfair advantage. Underlying fundamental fields show you combine two of them. And AI scopes. This is the unfair advantage. And the third advantage of AI is that the precision. AI adapts to real-time volatility. Right? They has no emotion. So they don't have feel and grid. So AI filters out the noise so you don't get chopped up in unpredictable market. You are not only trade reasonably, you are trading rationally. Alright? Well, in our BullView Central AI Hub, the elite retail day traders enter, and the ex-institutional traders are also using it. This is and the quantitative analysts in it, right? Who's inside? Traders seeking a scalable edge who refuse to fly blind in a volatile and event-driven market. Well, we live with philosophy, so we also need a philosophy to trade. AI doesn't replace human judgment, right? We decide by ourselves, right? We decide by ourselves by our own, right? AI doesn't replace our decision, doesn't replace our judgment. It augmented, it augments it. What does it mean? Um, who will cast the noise so you can pull the trigger with total confidence. Most of our time, most of the time, you trade uh, fearfully, right? Because you have no idea what is the uncertainty is, right? You have no idea about the uncertainty. However, who will filter the noise and give you more certainty. Of course, it's not 100% certain, right? Nobody, even Warren Buffett, is not 100% about the market. But with that tool view, with that AI tool, you can be more certain about the market. Okay? You can be more confident. So come on, just click the link, be a confident trader. Is that clear? Just click the link and be a confident trader. Be a reasonable and a professional trader. Don't trade blindly anymore. Come on, don't trade blindly anymore. You need a reason. You need to analyze your stock first. You need to analyze your stock first. Alright? Okay, you click the link and subscribe to the Edge. You can get institutional logic and pocket-sized execution, right? The book view in your pocket. A professional analyst in your pocket, okay? Work on your phone, not just on a Bloomberg terminal. It is a mini Bloomberg terminal, alright? It's a mini Bloomberg terminal and in your office. And then you can also get the market insight. The market insight, alright? What moved, why it moved, and exactly what I'm watching next. Is that clear? The market insight make you more rational, make you trade reasonably. Is that all? Is that right? And then you can also get a one-on-one advisory consultant. If you have any specific question, just enter our VIP group. Then you can ask it. We will give you our unfiltered, honest take. All right. The market doesn't wait. Just hit the subscribe and the bell. Okay, still the same thing. Bull view is the desk in your pocket. Raw market data, order flow, global liquidity, and momentum factor. The quant PM architecture filter all of them in the blue view and give you a reasonable conclusion. All right. Well, let's talk about some ticker. Let's talk about some ticker. So what about Intel? Intel is a popular stock, right? Click. Okay. Give the AI the tickers and click analyze. We also take a look at trading view. What the big move, right? However, our AI analyst tells us that Intel surged a lot, RSI overbought. Hey, you can see that surge a lot, RSI overbought, right? We can avoid it, but also we can short it, right? We can short it by option. Well, in the near future, we will produce more analytical AI tool. Bullview is the first one, all right? We will produce something like option flow analysis AI tool, all right? Option has a lot of strategy, so if you had it, you can use option to build strategy that based on your opinion. Things like that. If you got an opinion from Bullview that Intel is of high risk now, right? And then you gonna short sell Intel. You can you can long put option to short sell Intel here. So how to short? How to short? You need a reason, right? Okay, the Bullview give you the reason, and then you can build your strategy. You can build your option strategy. That's all, right? Well, the turnover on the LEAP bull trend is accelerating. This is the bull case for Intel. Data center revenue is stabilizing. So if Intel tonight open above the after hours high and hold the first 15 minutes range, momentum algo will chase. The next resistance is the psychological, maybe $70 level. Okay, the next resistance should be here. Close. Yeah, this one resistance. All right. It probably goes up again to touch the resistance, then go down. Probably. This is Intel. Okay, what about another case? What about the bear case? Let's take a look at AMD. I don't know if it's a bull case or bear case. Let the AI tells you. Let the AI tells you. All right. Let's take a look at AMD. AMD. Analyze then check it chart. AMD. All right. Wow, it's also a big move. How profitable is the semiconductor sectors? It is as risky as Intel, right? AMD surge, RSI overbought zone, almost the same. Okay, don't chase it because it's already a historical high. You can wait for a pullback, and then you can also short it. We take it, we look it back again when the market open. So we don't predict, okay? We don't predict. Oh wow, it opened higher. Oh, come on. Too fierce. Open higher. Okay, so we can't chase this too high. All right, it is too high. Wait for the pullback. All right. Oh, that's too many chances for us to trade in the market. Okay, I'm gonna ask some question. I'm gonna answer your question here. Okay, some of you Intel suddenly looks a lot stronger than before. Yes, because fundamentally it has many products demanded by AI, boosted by AI. Feels like a positioning trade rather than hype. Yeah, it's now a good time to buy. Not now. Boosted by. I'll go. trade. Don't chase. Don't chase the price. Just wait for the pullback. Yeah, just wait for a pullback because our AI tool, the bull view, just tells you that it's risky, right? Okay, just ignore it. And it's too momentum. It goes up a lot. It's also dangerous to short it. So just avoid it. Avoid AMD. Alright? SLB, okay. Most of you just asked about question about the high tech, the hardware, right? Now somebody asked about energy, SLB. Can SLB use tool to analyze this problem? Yeah, sure. Energy names like SLB just keep grinding higher. Yeah. Okay. Let me share with you how to use. Hey, come on. Most of the time, I share with you how to use it most of the time. What about you click the link and get it and analyze it by yourself? All right, you can use it by yourself. But well, I'm doing live stream now. I can show you how to use it. Oh, of course, I will show you. Classic energy cycle play. Yeah, sure. SLB. SLB analyze it. And let's take a look at the same time in the trading view. You can see that, right? You can see that coming. Is this lower now? It just hit the historical high yesterday and I come back, and now it come back again. It's a pullback. Actually, I think there's a good chance. Okay, I think it's a good chance. But what I am talking about is not important because my point of view could be wrong. Right? Let's see the AI without any emotion. What the AI without any emotion gonna say, right? SLB search near 60-day high, RSI overbought. However, it's mid risk. It's mid risk. So which means that this pullback probably is a good chance for you to enter, right? All right. Crystal clear. So with Brent crude above 100 and almost blockage tightening supply, oil field service pricing power is at a multi-year high. Consensus EPS is 60% or 60 cents, sorry. I think that's conservative. But here's the risk. If they miss our international margins or show capital discipline concerns, the energy sector rotation outflows will hit this hard. The play is binary. Wait for the number, alright? If they beat and guide up, the sympathy buy for HAL, NOV kicks in. If they missed, it is a sector-wide shot. Okay. Now I think every time when the equity goes up, the energy sector goes down. They hedge each other. All right. They hedge each other. Okay, energy. Well, the peace talk between US and Iran is turning seems take a run. Can improve. The equity rebound and energy goes down. Both hedge each other. SLB is giving a pull back now. Yeah, it's of mid risk. Okay, the SLB, I think it is more chance than risk. So when Trump really opens fire in the Strait of Hormuz, Forever sold one barrel, where all tech stock go to zero. Of course, you know we won't go to zero. Why? Of course, it's not. All right. Okay, we just talk about. We just talk about energy. It's a. We just talk about tech and talk about energy, right? Both have big move in this year, and they both hedge each other. Now, if you have time during the trading hour, you can switch from tech and energy, switch again and again, and you can make a lot of money. But the first priority is that you have a good risk management, all right? Otherwise, you lose from both sides. HCA, all right, HCA. As far as I know, it is a pharmacy or it is a health stock. Let's take a look. HCA. Okay, at the same time, take a look at the trading view too. You should combine that two things together. It's a healthcare stock. Okay. Well, it doesn't have any trend now. Mostly it is the downward trend, but it also have a range. But tonight it is going. It downgraded a lot, right? Downgraded a lot. It breaks that range. Well, it is what kind of that pattern? What kind of that pattern? It's a head shoulder, right? Head and shoulder. It reminds me of a children's song. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, right? Head, shoulder, knees and toe. So it is a bearish pattern. I know why it goes down a lot. Head, shoulder, knees and toe. Oh my god. Downward trend, bearish pattern, right? And our AI tells you that allocate weekly, volume pick up, everything break out. Okay. It breaks down now. Let's wait for another chance. Maybe oversold. Sorry. When it oversold again, now it is a divergence. Tonight is a divergence, right? Divergence. Let me show you what is divergence. Here we go. Price go down a lot, but RSI goes up, right? This is divergence, and divergence indicates a bottom. So let's wait. All right. It opens too low tonight. Over so not enough. All right. Anything else? Oh, it is 9 o'clock now. Half an hour before the market open. Okay, let's take a break. All right. Let's take a break. Then I will answer your question and then show you more analysis about your tickers. All right. All right, anyone, welcome back. Welcome back. Uh, so if you are just joining, we are live here for 2 hours, breaking down Friday's market action and preparing for Monday's open. Link to BlueView is in the pinned comment. Free market intelligence platform, direct exchange feeds, real-time options flow, 12,000 traders in the community. Grab it, all right? Just grab it. Okay, these are the names that moved on extreme volume Thursday. These are the names where the story is not just earnings, it's structural positioning, it's panic selling, it's capitalization. It's where the asymmetric lives, right? Okay, what do you think of Nokia? Evelyn, welcome, Evelyn. You comes to our chat. You come to watch our live stream every night. You are asking Nokia, right? It's worth buying. Let me show you on our AI tool, BlueView. Let's take a look at what BlueView gonna tell you. All right, and at the same time, we take a look at this here. Nokia, NOK, not ROK, okay. Wow. It's strong move. Pull back and go up a lot again, and a little pull back tonight. It's still middle risk, okay? Actually, I have analyzed Nokia for you in the past few nights, right? Past few days, right? Okay, such a heavy volume. RSI near overbought. It is just near overbought, but it has a strong, very strong trend, very strong upward trend, right? So it is still of middle risk. It's still of middle risk. Yeah, you can buy. I think it's okay. Yeah, okay. The other side is fair enough. It's not overbought yet, right? Strong upward trend. Just follow and middle SI. Just follow the tape. That's it. That's it. Okay. Before the market open, let me show you more about our product. Okay. You click the pan link, right? Then you get this AI tool without any cost. What's more, you can have the advisory consultant. This is your personal desk. You can book a one-on-one direct access via the channel link. Alright? Fix your IPS. Alright? Refine your internal investment policy statement. So you can get honest feedback from someone who has managed the real risk and build actual wealth. We have a team. We have a financial advisor team here. Alright, I'm gonna pardon these tools with value. Alright? Smart analysis. You enter the ticker and get an instant dip report. Alright? And it is a real-time monitoring. It's 24 hours and 7 days alerts, never miss the move. And you can also get buy or sell signals. Right? Low risk, middle risk, or high risk. Is that right? So the core value is that you judge the trend. So I just what I said just now, follow the tape, right? Follow the tape. And then no guessing. You trade with reasons. No guessing. You are not trade as gambling, right? And no FOMO. What does FOMO mean? FOMO is fear of missing out. It's okay. You miss Intel, you miss AMD. It's okay. Nokia is also okay, right? You, there are many chances in the market. Don't FOMO. Don't be FOMO. And then it's data driven only, which means that there's no emotion. All right. Okay, I'm gonna say that again. Zero cost, tour free, guidance free. All right. So some of the friends, some of you gonna ask that, hey, you provide a you you guys just provide a suitable, profitable, and a useful tool for free. Why? You don't want our money? Hey, come on, man. We are trader. We trading in the market is our full-time job, right? So we earn money in the market. We surf in the trend. We surf on the trend. We earn money by taking risk. All right, this is big money. Yeah, we also sometimes we lose, but most of the time we earn. That's it. So that kind of tool we just provide it for you free. Okay, we don't earn money by selling tool. We earn money by taking risk. That's it. Okay, why is free? I just told you that. Zero sales team, zero advertisement spend. Forever free. Okay. Okay, let's wait for the market open. Yeah, the tourist has long-term data support. No emotions. Okay. Any tickers? Any code? Well, the move from $4 to $10 in 6 months may have front run the fundamental inflection. I mean, Nokia. And when a stock doubles in half a year on a narrative shift, the easy money is gone. The smart play here. Is the smart play here? Wait for profit taking into the weekend. Alright? If Monday opens with a gap down and find support at at 10, maybe that's a reload zone. If the gap's up again, let it go. The asymmetric score is 55, too close to call. Alright. Any tickers? Come on. Come on. Well, Mr. Blake, right? Just how did car CR perform today? Wow, this is a very interesting thought, you know. This is a very interesting thought. Let me show you, okay? Let me show you. Then you know why it's interesting. Car, right? Here we go. Come on. What What a super volatility. It got almost tenfold, right? From around $90 to almost 900, 10 times in a month, or maybe over a month. It's very quickly, right? Then comes down from the top in 2 days. Right, comes down from the top to 2 days. I think it is not about fundamental or technical. Well, the RSI is overbought here in the early time, very early. RSI is overbought very early, but it still keeps going up, upper and upper, right? Going up a lot. Okay, here. Sorry. Can you see that? High volatility, right? High volatility. It goes from the top from almost $90 to almost 900, 10 times within 2 months. The RSI is already overbought very early, right? But it still keep going up, going higher and higher. Then collapse in 2 days. Very interesting, right? Very interesting. It is not about beta or no. It's not about high beta or not. How to say that? It's a bubble. Okay, it is a bubble. You know what? It reminds me of the tulip. Let me show you the tulip bubble. You know, this is a financial history. Tulip bubble. It is the first bubble in financial history. Tulip bubble. Hey, can you see that? Maybe this one. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me see. Yeah, here. Tulip mania bubble. Oh, come on. Just show it. Let me see it here. Okay, can you see that? The smart money entered very early, then take off. Institutional investor enter secondary, then keep going. Enthusiasm, greed, delusion, then collapse in a very short time, right? Fearful in very short time. So it is a bubble. Very similar, right? Very similar. Go up a lot with volume in large. Everybody is crazy. Every holder is crazy, right? Then when nobody enter anymore, everybody get panic and get down. Frankly speaking, I have no idea what happened to its fundamental, right? I have no idea what happened to it to cause fundamental. So it is obviously a bubble, okay? Our bull view is also tells you that it's high risk. It's high risk, right? Keep going up, then collapse in only 2 days. So keep away from the bubble, all right? And the RSI indicators also tells you that it's not oversold yet. It has no fundamental, okay? No fundamental. That's why it collapsed very quickly. Okay, next one. Yeah, cover volatility makes it hard. Okay, let me answer your question in part test quickly. The market is gonna open. Without any fundamentals. Keep away from it. Alright, someone asked about LNG. LNG, you mean the future? So a company, I think it's a company, okay? LNG is also a company, LNG, okay? Analyze here, it is about power, right? It is about power. You see that? Middle risk. Oversold with low volume, bounce potential. Yeah, potential, bounce potential. Come on. All right, middle risk. It is a good step. Just come from the top from 300 here, a quarter, right? Down for a quarter. And then here, RSI is healthy. RSI is healthy, right? So it is potential. It is a potential stock. LNG provide energy, right? It is the energy sector. It is of the energy sector. It provide energy. If the electricity for AI needs energy, right? So I think maybe not in the long run, just in the short run, it have a high profit to lose ratio. Okay, pay more attention to it, and then don't forget to set the stop loss. Okay. Potential stock. LNG is a potential stock. Pay attention to it and don't fall. And don't forget to set the stop loss. Right? ET. Yeah, ET is good. What do you think, House? Okay, ET. First, we analyze here, and I also gonna tell you about ET's fundamental. Well, we just say that the CAR has no fundamental, right? ET is really has something fundamentally. All right, why? Because it has how to say, it has 8% dividend rate, which means that if you buy this stock and hold it for over 1 year, you earn about 8% for sure. You know, it is the dividend rate, so it's very stable, and then it is also the energy stock. So when you can hold it for hedging, okay, hedging the tech sector, all right? It really has good fundamentals. It has 8% dividend rate. You can have it as a hedging Okay, the market is about open. Let's take a look at it. The market is about open. Let's take a look at SPY, right? The market's open. Open high, right? Open high. It's a good news. It is a good news. So what about the stock we just watched? Like tech. Oh, open high a lot, right? We don't trade in the first 5 to 10 minutes. We just look. Okay, we just look. Okay, Nvidia is very stable. What about this one? Okay. Okay, there must be someone that have a trend, right? Big slide. Okay. And what about ET? We just talked about ET, right? Take a look at. It's not going down a lot. Maybe there's a chance. Alright. Okay, before the market getting stable, let's come back to our presentation. Alright. So what is event-driven trading? We need a catalyst, right? We need a catalyst. The catalyst boosts the up and down, and then they probably will be a directional momentum. We just follow the tape. We enter the momentum and hold it when the momentum stops. When the trend ends, then exit, take profit. That's it. That's it. Execution is easy, but we need the catalyst. So who can give you the catalyst? Right? Our Bull View. Okay, our AI tool will give it to you. So because you need a reason to trade. I said it 1,000 times. Alright, the 4 rules of the event-driven edge. Firstly, you need to identify the catalyst, right? There are tons of news in the market. You need to tell which one is the really useful one. Secondly, you need to know what is expectation and what is the reality, right? If you judge the news by yourself, you must mix some emotional thinking in it. So it's not fair enough. It is you don't get close to the reality, right? So our Bull View will give you a good reason, okay? Give you a 100% rational reason. So it is more close. It's much closer to the reality, right? A third one is that the technical confluence, right? Just like here, or maybe not the next one here. The first 5 minutes we don't do anything in the first 5 minutes, right? Then there's a range, opening range. When the range break is broken, then we enter, right? Just like here, right? Here's the range, the full body candle break with volume spike. Then we enter the trend and take the profit. That's it, right? Of course, every time you need to set the stop loss, because your identification to the trend might be wrong. So what if it is wrong? You have already set a stop loss, that's okay. Alright? So, any tickers before the trend get stable? Okay, less than half an hour before I close this live stream. So there are still times for you to click the link and get this free tour. If you missed it, uh, you can't enjoy it this weekend. So if you want to use it this weekend, if you want to be familiar with that tour in this weekend, come on, click the link and get it. Okay, no cost. It costs you nothing. Why not? It costs you nothing. All right, somebody asked about PLTR. Let's take a look at PLTR. Parlenter. Wait, Parlenter. Analyze it. Here we go. Well, you know the big shot, Michael Burry. Uh, he's definitely bearish on it, right? Is definitely bearish on it. But every time it drop around 130, rebound. Here's a range, right? Here's a range. So there's no trend. So I don't think you take it serious. You don't need to take it serious. There's no trend. Okay. And our AI tools also tell you that it's mid risk. Consolidate weekly. What support? And maybe the support around 130. Okay. PLTR is trading in a range. No trend. Don't take it serious. Seriously, now wait for the support. Alright, 10 minutes left before I leave. So 10 minutes left before I leave. So if you have any point of view, if you have any you're gonna ask, just ask. All right. Any ticker? Which stocks did you buy today? All right. Yeah, any stock can be analyzed by using this tool. I bought it just now. new stock can be analyzed by bull view. All right. Come on, 10 minutes left before I quit. If you have anything to ask, just ask. If you wanna experience this beautiful AI tour, if you wanna be familiar with that tour, just click the pan link, alright? Just click the pan link and get it. Okay, someone asked about SMR. Alright. Someone asked about SMR. Let me show you. Give the tickers to BlueView. Click Analyze. Right? Just compare that with each chart. Nuclear Power Corporation. Well. So firstly, let me show you something fundamentally. Nuclear. Okay. What is most important? What's the most important energy? So what's the most important thing for AI? Data center, right? Data center needs electricity and it needs power. So who can give it more power? Right? Nuclear, right? Maybe last night or the night before yesterday, yesterday or the day before yesterday, we just talk about CCJ, right? It is a uranium. It's the raw material for nuclear. And nuclear generate power for AI data center, right? So nuclear is also have big demand, which boosted by AI. So in the long run, SMR is a beautiful stock. It's very beautiful. Right? It just breaks the downward trend with volume in large and RSI is very healthy, right? And our bull view, our AI analysts just tell you that it's of just middle risk. Middle risk kind of low risk, right? You can take a look at it, okay? You can hold it for maybe, it's not a short-term trade. I think it should be a kind of a middle term, all right? Okay, here we go. Can you see that? SMR, right? It has a very high profit to loss ratio. The downward space is not very large here. It has already got a lowest point here, right? But the RSI is very healthy, and it just breaks the downward trend. And it is also very cheap now, very undervalued. Alright, SMR has a high profit to loss ratio. It is undervalued in the long run. AI needs power and nuclear can provide power. Okay, FCX, right? Well, FCX is also popular. FCX, let me see. FCX, let's take a look. It's about copper. FCX, McMoran, right? It's about copper. Actually, it is still about AI. You know why? Let me share with you the fundamental. AI needs power. AI needs electricity. So who can conduct the power? Who can conduct the power? It is copper, right? Copper can conduct the power. So McMoran is providing the copper, right? So when the demand for AI is getting larger, right? When the demand for AI is getting larger, the demand for copper is also getting larger, right? And now McMoran FCS is going lower and lower. This correction is the chance. And then you don't need to be urgent. You don't need to be urgent to buy the dip, alright? Because the RSI could be lower. You can wait for the RSI enter the oversold zone, then enter it. The most important thing is that copper is, in the long run, is a very good commodity. Okay. Okay, thank you, Della. Thank you. Well, AI need power. What can conduct power? Copper, right? FCS is copper mining. Okay, this is the end of our live stream. So, congratulations on who just clicked the pan link and get this Bullview AI tour. You will have enjoyable weekend. You will get addicted to this AI tour. Okay, that's good. This addiction is good because you will get familiar with that and you will use it smoothly next week. And never trade like a newbie anymore, right? And any other ones who doesn't click the link, come on, quickly. I'm gonna leave now. Click the link and get the AI tool as soon as possible. Click the link. Okay, the last question I don't wanna answer you because I'm gonna leave now. You click the link then you will get the advisor one by one. You can get someone like me to answer your question one by one, okay? So keep your question and click the link, then ask us in the group, okay? Ask us in the group. Well, the edge is waiting. Don't trade blind, alright? Just join us. Yeah, sure. If you click the link, not only you can get this AI tour, you can get market insight and our advisor one-on-one guidance to you. Alright? That's all here. Happy Friday and happy trading. Thank you. See you around. See you all.